Using influencer tracking links for social media campaigns is one of the smartest ways to measure the effectiveness of your promotions and track the performance of your influencers. But if you've never done it before, it can feel a little overwhelming. Let's break it down and make it simple. First, you need to understand the basics. Influencer tracking links are unique URLs that you give to your influencers, which allow you to monitor clicks, conversions, and sales coming from their content. It's a way to see if your investment in influencers is really paying off. Now here's how you set them up. Start by choosing the right software. I've tried all the popular options, and I'll tell you about the one that worked best for my campaigns. Plus, you'll get an exclusive free trial of it in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've signed up for the software, it's time to create your first tracking link. In most software, this is as simple as entering a URL, like your landing page, and then customizing it with parameters like UTM tags to track the source, medium, and campaign name. These parameters are what allow you to know exactly which influencer brought in which traffic and conversions. Now, when creating a link, you want to make sure it's easy for the influencer to share. This could mean shortening the link, which is something the software can do automatically for you. You can also add a branded component to make it look clean and professional, which is a great way to make sure the influencer's audience clicks through. Once your links are created, send them to your influencers. It's a good idea to give them a brief on how to incorporate the link into their content, whether it's in an Instagram post, TikTok video, or YouTube description. Be clear about your expectations for how they should promote the link. After that, the real fun begins. You can start tracking how each influencer's link is performing. Look at the clicks, conversions, and engagement to see who is driving the best results. The software will give you detailed insights on all of this, so you can adjust your strategy as needed. The key takeaway here is that influencer tracking links are crucial for measuring your campaigns. By using the right software, you'll get data that helps you understand what's working, what's not, and where you should focus next. Don't skip this step. Without proper tracking, you're just guessing. To quickly recap, first, choose the software that fits your needs. Second, create your tracking link with unique parameters. Then, share those links with your influencers and track their performance through the software. Finally, use those insights to optimize your strategy. And remember, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below, so you can start using this software for your own campaigns right now.